Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restart the YouTube app fully on your phone. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on the YouTube application, and so usually or traditionally once you want to restart it or close it, all you have to do is drag up and then from here just swipe it up. But in case that doesn't work fully and you would like to fully force it to shut down, then all you have to do is go and search for the settings. And then once you go to settings, you're going to search for the apps. Once you go to the apps section, as you can see in the recent apps, there's YouTube. In case if it's not there, then simply go to the default apps. And if it's not here, then you go to the ungeneral apps and then you're going to choose it for see all 182 apps or see all the general apps. Once you do that, you're going to click on the YouTube one. And as you can see, there are multiple options. One of them is simply saying force stop. Once you click on force stop, this is going to fully make sure that the app will stop and you can restart it 100% guaranteed, making sure. And so once you do so, you can either click on open it or you can disable it fully and then re-enable it, or you can clear the storage and cache so that you can make sure that it restarts fully and you can clear all the storage so anything in the previous history can be deleted and cached for all your previous user data. And that is pretty much it. Once you open it, boom, it's going to open directly. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.